Most important question of combination. Let us see the question. How many straight line can be formed by given 10 points? So for this type of question, we have a simple technique. Suppose it is given n points, right? Suppose it is given n points. Our technique is what? That is NC2. When we solve this number n factorial 2 factorial n minus 2. So we will get what? N into n minus 1 by 2. So here 10 points given. So our answer is 10C2. 10 into 9 by 2. 2 5s are 10 and 9 5s are 45. So correct answer is 45. Let us see the question. How many straight line can be formed by given 12 points in which 8 points are collinear? So for this type of question, simple technique is what? Suppose given points is what? N. And suppose collinear point is what? That is M. So required number will be what? We are getting the straight line. For a straight line, we need 2 points. So simple technique is what? That is NC2 minus MC2 and the collinear are self one straight line. So plus 1. So we can write N into N minus 1 by 2. N into n minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So n is what? 12. So 12 into 11, 12 into 11 by 2 and here 8. So 8 into 7 by 2 plus 1. So 2 6 are 12 and 2 4 are 8. So this is what? 66 minus 28 plus 1. So 67 minus 28. So 17 minus 8 9. 5 minus 2 3. So correct answer is what? 39. Let us see the question. How many triangles can be made from 10 given points? So very important question and simple technique is what? We are finding the triangle. So you know for triangle we need how many points? Only 3 points. So here 10 points given. So suppose it is the n points given. So general formula will be what? That is simply NC3. So here n is 10, so we get 10C3. So you know NCR formula, n factorial, that is 10 factorial, r factorial, that is 3 factorial, n minus r, so 10 minus 3, 7 factorial. Now solve this. So 10 factorial what? Reverse counting. So this is 10, this is 9, this is 8 and this is 7. So stop here because denominator have 7 factorial. This is 3 into 2 and this is 7. So this cancel and this is 3 3 are 9 and this is 2 4 are. So this is 3 4 are 12 into 10 what? 120. So our correct answer is 120. Let us see the question. How many triangles can be made from 12 points in which 6 points are collinear? So for this type of question, simple technique is what? Suppose the given points is what? N. And suppose collinear points is what? That is M. So for this type of question, given point N and collinear point N, and we need what? Number of triangle. So technique is what? 12 given points, so that is NC3. And collinear point of M, that is MC3 only. So NC3 minus MC3. So N is what? 12. So we can write direct, that is 12C3 and this is what? 6C3. So you know formula, this is 12 factorial, this is 3, 12 minus 3, 9. Here 6 factorial, this is 3 and 6 minus 3 also 3. So now we can solve 12 into 11 into 10 and this is 9 factorial, so this is 9 stop. And here 3 into 2 and this is 9. And again you see minus 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial stop and here 3 into 2 here 3. So this factorial cancel, 3 2 is 6 cancel. Here 9 factorial cancel, 3 2 is 6 2 is 12. So 11 2 is 12. So we will get what? 11 2 is 22. So we will get what? 222. And minus 5 4 is 20. So we will get what? 200. So our correct answer is 200. Let us see the question. How many chords can be drawn through the 21 points on a circle? So we know well for a chord we need 2 points on a circle. So how many chords can be drawn through 21 points? So suppose the given point on a circle is what? N. So simple technique is what? Number of chord equal to NC2. So NC2, when we break this, we will get what? N into n minus 1 by 2. So here points given is what? 21. So n is given 21. So that put n equal to 21. So 21 into 20 by 2. This is cancelled. So our correct answer is 21 into 10. That is 210 is our right answer.